Hello guys, we are again starting the daily analysis here on silver chart, the daily time frame. What we can see from yesterday was very nice closure to the upside, as we were kind of expecting to see a push to the upside after that closure in Monday. So today we opened a very aggressive candle to the upside, already taking out that fair value gap. So our next target will be that that extreme over here, as well as that whole fair value gap, the start of it and the extreme of it, maybe for the next day. But at the moment, that extreme over here will be our target for today. And for our time frame, what we can see over here is a very nice reaction yesterday from that fair value gap that we've marked. We've tested and made a very aggressive push to the upside, and after that we've made a small consolidation over here. Asia session open, and we've made a push to the upside that will leave behind that big fair value gap over here, which will be the support of price, which should not be breached if we want to keep on seeing a bullish push, bearish push. But as we can see, that big consolidation over here was finally broken to the upside after we swept the lows over here. We've made a very aggressive push, taking it all out. So at the moment we are currently looking only for bullish price action for the day. Here Asia session was kind of not reachable at the moment, so I would prefer to see a drop to the downside, testing that fair value gap, consolidating one session, sweep of the lows, and then expansion to the upside. Gold on the daily time frame, what we can see yesterday was not that good bullish push, but still we've made a engulfing candle which ate the candle from Monday, and currently we are making a very nice push to the upside, taking the highs over here, making a structure to the upside. Currently aiming for that extreme over here, and after it we will be looking for that over there. The 4-hour time frame, as we can see, same exact structure as on silver, very nice aggressive push. We have that fair value gap here, which should be acting as support for the price. Hourly time frame, as expected, same exact thing. Most likely we want to see something like that so we can anticipate into the market and then push to the upside after a sweep of the lows. But we can see even a push to the upside, slow retrace of London, and then another push to the upside. There is a big possibility that we don't even get a retrace into that zone since we are opening the market that strong. But we're gonna see later into the day how the price will be playing. We might have a chance to position ourselves later into the day with sweep of one on lows, but at the moment we just monitor the price. Euro on the daily time frame, what we can see over here is we are still playing into that fair value gap over here, waiting for a better push to the upside to close it. Our bias will be bullish since we've made that closure to the upside. The 4-hour is also giving us some structure. We invert that small fair value gap over here. Closed candles be above that order block over here, which was playing support for the price to the downside, but at the moment we've inverted it and we're actually using it as a bullish one. The hourly time frame, we are looking for a bullish structure over here. I will be marking edge session lows and I'm going to monitor an eventual sweep of them, making an S&T. So we might have the chance to position ourselves to the upside. First target will be that extreme over here, and also next target will be the extreme on the fair value gap on the daily time frame that we are currently arranging into. That will be the idea over here, waiting for the sweep of the lows and then a push to the upside after we see a S&T and we get a respect of that fair value gap over here as we are expecting during edge session. Pound on the daily time frame, what we can see over here is also a small bullish reaction to the upside from yesterday. 4-hour is a little bit slower over here, still have not inverted that order block, but we inverted that fair value gap, so we are currently looking for a bullish price action over here as well, aiming for those highs firstly, and then what's over here, that high over there. which is external structure. The hourly time frame, we have that small consolidation during yesterday New York session and today Asia session. We're kind of consolidating all that zone over here, but I'll be marking Asia session lows, and I'm going to wait for some kind of an SMT to be made, and from there position myself for a bullish push. Those are some highs that might affect our push to the upside. So that will be it for today, guys.